Nevertheless, let it be known today that we are the recognized representative of APC youths across the country. Dissuade ourselves from the career recently executed in Abuja. The protest was done under no legal authority from the APC. We condemn its intent, content, subject, and objective in totality. It was a blatant fraud, and we believe that those behind it will get exposed very soon. However, this did not come as a big surprise to us. Dauda Lawal has never been a man of substance or statesmanship. From the beginning, his path has been defined by opportunism and not vision, by selfishness and not service. We are aware that his hate for collaboration and building consensus is well documented before now, and the results are showing in full-blown state failure. This is very pathetic and should not be the case of a state such as Zamfara, which stands as one of the most epitomized northern states. Indeed, our movement remains unshaken. We affirm our unwavering support and confidence in President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in the Minister of State for Defense, and all patriotic citizens that are working for the success of our nation. We will not be distracted by political jobbers whose contribution to national issues is vile toxicity and cheap blackmail. Furthermore, we are urging the people of Zamfara state to awake to their civic responsibility to defend justice and equity. This is the best time to speak out against Governor Lawal's tyranny and lawlessness. This is the time to speak against his chronic ineptitude and abuse of state institutions for personal gratification and agenda. You deserve better, but your silence in the face of this oppression will be seen as complicity. Every citizen must come together to salvage what is left of Zamfara state. Lawal's leadership has become a national embarrassment and a symbol of what should never again be allowed in the Nigerian political space. We, the APC Youth Leaders Network, call upon the national leadership of the APC to investigate those individuals that have been compromised within the party. Those who have continued to make themselves available as pawns in the hands of anti-party forces must be summoned, questioned, and disciplined appropriately. Additionally, we urge the EFCC to commence an immediate investigation into the financial dealings of the Zamfara state government under the leadership of Dauda Lawal. We demand a full forensic audit of the state expenditures in relation to foreign trips, public procurement, and security dealings. We are convinced that there are answers to Zamfara woes are waiting to be unraveled under those figures. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, we want the world to know today that Bello Matawalle remains an epitome of service, an emblem of good leadership, loyalty, patriotism. Dauda Lawal, on the other hand, is an opposite, a monumental failure, a perpetuator of chaos, pandemonium, and a dumb governor who would prefer to rule over ashes than build a prosperous state. His actions are not only a betrayal to the people of Zamfara, but also a direct affront to the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration. Nonetheless, the APCU Leaders Network is confident that truth will surely prevail, that justice shall be served, and Zamfara shall be liberated, delivered from the ruthless